So it's a cold winter months, and I decided to put on a little facial hair going on up and down here, and decided I needed a beard comb to keep that beard looking svelte and smooth and not have all those wispy hairs everywhere. So decided to check out the I believe it's the Giorgio. Yes, Giorgio beard comb. Now this comes in 3 different colors. I chose this color right here, which is called, interestingly, the Tokyo. On the back, you can see some information about this particular comb. Experience the unparalleled quality of Giorgio handmade combs, designed to revolutionize your hair care routine. You can see some information here. Made from solid sheets of cellulose acetate material, each comb undergoes meticulous shaping and cutting by skilled artisans. Love it. It was a comb that just didn't smack of just being a regular type of beard or mustache comb, something unique. So let's open this thing up and see what we get inside. I do like the packaging. It's very simple, very slick, very European feel to it. I'm not sure, where is this made? This is made, does not say. It's distributed by I&JC Corporation. All right, let's open this thing up. This envelope itself would be kind of handy. Here we go. Here is the comb. Now, the other reason I wanted it is because it does fold down among itself, and then we can put this in our pocket. It's very small. You can see that. As a matter of fact, looking at my thumb, it is the size of my thumb roughly right there. And you can see the Giorgio 87 handmade. And there we go. And let's see if we can open this. It's a little tight right now. I'm sure that will loosen up over time, but very nice. Feels good. Let's check it on the beard and see how it works. Oh my, I have to say, I really like it. The teeth are perfectly spaced. It does a great job of moving smoothly through my beard without pulling. It is actually a very nice comb and not that costly. This is a good one to check out. If you're trying to keep that beard and mustache groomed, this might be the perfect little comb for you. Very nice. Looks really good too. All right. That's it for me. retroCombs out.